Hello there, warriors. Every time in your routine health checkup, they test your creatinine levels as well. Elevated creatinine levels are a cause for concern as they denote impaired kidney function. But what really is creatinine, and how does it affect your body? Creatinine is a waste product produced by muscles during the breakdown of creatine that helps supply energy to muscle cells. Creatinine is produced at a relatively constant rate by the muscles and is filtered out of the blood by the kidneys. The kidneys then excrete creatinine in the urine. Creatinine levels in the blood can serve as a marker of kidney function. Healthy kidneys efficiently filter creatinine from the blood, and the normal range of creatinine in the blood is typically stable. Let's take a look at our body as a magnificent art gallery, with each exhibit representing different aspects of your health. The artists in this gallery are your muscles, constantly creating and reshaping their masterpieces. As they work, sculpting each piece of art, they leave behind artistic waste like excess paint and rags, which is creatinine. The bloodstream serves as the gallery's maintenance crew, transporting the creatinine to the disposal unit or kidneys for disposal, ensuring that the gallery stays clean and vibrant. The kidneys maintain the integrity of the art gallery by filtering out unnecessary elements. Creatinine, being a waste product, needs to be efficiently managed to prevent it from affecting the overall quality of the gallery. Now, if there's an intense burst of artistic activity or high muscle turnover, the gallery may be flooded with an excess of creatinine residue. This could put a strain on the disposal unit and the gallery's cleaning crew. It can result in a buildup of creatinine and other waste products, affecting the overall aesthetic and vitality of the gallery. In this creative analogy, the key takeaway is that creatinine, the artistic residue of muscle activity, should be carefully managed by the kidneys and the bloodstream to maintain the health and balance of the body's art gallery. Regular checkups and a healthy lifestyle contribute to the overall well-being of this intricate masterpiece-filled space. No need to worry, ladies and gentlemen. With a healthy lifestyle filled with a balanced diet, exercise, and mindfulness, it is easy to be conscious of your body processes. Remember to visit your healthcare provider for regular checkups to ensure your well-being. Stay tuned to find out the 5 superfoods that can lower your creatinine levels and improve kidney function in this ultimate guide to healthy kidneys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We look out for your health with amazing wellness tips for a healthy life, and we would love for you to be a part of our community of warriors. Number 1. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, cranberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants, including anthocyanins, flavonols, and vitamin C. Antioxidants play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between the production of free radicals and the body's ability to neutralize them. The antioxidants in berries act as scavengers, helping to neutralize free radicals and protect cells from damage. Anthocyanins, the pigments responsible for the vibrant colors of many berries, have demonstrated anti-inflammatory properties. By reducing inflammation, the compounds in berries may help mitigate the stress on the kidneys from chronic inflammation. High blood pressure is a common risk factor for kidney disease. Some studies suggest that the regular consumption of berries may contribute to the regulation of blood pressure, as the presence of anthocyanins and other bioactive compounds may help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Berries are a good source of dietary fiber and are low in potassium, which can be beneficial for kidney health. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels, promotes digestive health, and may contribute to a reduced risk of certain chronic conditions that can affect the kidneys. Berries also have a high water content, contributing to overall hydration. Proper hydration is important for kidney function, as it helps maintain the balance of fluids and supports the kidneys in filtering waste products. Incorporating berries in your daily diet is extremely easy, from a quick breakfast smoothie, or mixing with oats, as well as salads during meals, or even a dessert with berries mixed into a yogurt parfait. Number 2. Cabbage. Cabbage is a low-potassium vegetable, making it suitable for individuals with kidney issues who need to monitor their potassium intake. Excessive potassium levels in the blood, known as hyperkalemia, can be a concern for people with impaired kidney function. Cabbage allows individuals to include a nutritious vegetable in their diet without a significant potassium load, while being a rich source of vitamins. Essential for blood clotting, vitamin K plays a role in preventing excessive bleeding. People with kidney issues may be at risk of vitamin K deficiency, making cabbage a valuable source. The antioxidant vitamin C contributes to immune function, collagen synthesis, and helps combat oxidative stress. Cabbage also contains compounds with potential anti-inflammatory properties. Cabbage is rich in dietary fiber, which can have several benefits for digestive health. Adequate fiber intake helps prevent constipation and promotes regular bowel movements, supporting overall digestive function. Fiber can contribute to stable blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of sugars from the digestive tract. Good digestive health ensures timely waste extraction, making the filtration process of kidneys run smoothly. Cabbage is a versatile vegetable that can be incorporated into a variety of dishes. It can be enjoyed raw in salads, sautéed, steamed, or added to soups and stews. This versatility makes it easier to include it in the diet in a way that suits your taste preferences. Number 3. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are a nutrient-dense superfood. Red bell peppers are relatively low in potassium compared to most vegetables. Including low-potassium foods like red bell peppers allows for a diverse and nutritious diet without risking potassium overload and kidney problems. Meanwhile, red bell pepper provides essential vitamins that contribute to overall health. These vitamins include vitamin A, essential for maintaining healthy skin, vision, and immune function. Vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps combat oxidative stress. Additionally, vitamin C enhances iron absorption, supporting overall nutrient utilization. Vitamin B6, important for brain development, function, and the formation of red blood cells. Chronic inflammation is associated with kidney damage and dysfunction. Antioxidants, such as those found in red bell peppers, have anti-inflammatory properties that may help mitigate inflammation and support kidney health. The vitamins and antioxidants in red bell peppers contribute to cardiovascular health. Maintaining heart health is crucial for overall well-being, and the kidneys rely on a healthy cardiovascular system for optimal function. Red bell peppers also have a high water content, contributing to hydration. Staying hydrated is important for kidney function, as it helps with the elimination of waste products through urine. Red bell peppers are low in calories, making them a nutritious, guilt-free addition to meals. Red bell peppers add color, texture, and flavor to a variety of dishes. Their versatility makes it easier to incorporate them into meals, encouraging a diverse and nutrient-rich diet. Number 4. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a nutrient-dense vegetable, providing essential vitamins and minerals. It is a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and various B vitamins. It contains antioxidants, including glucosinolates and carotenoids. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals in the body, which can contribute to inflammation and oxidative stress. Cauliflower is low in potassium and phosphorus, making it suitable for individuals with kidney issues who need to monitor their potassium and phosphorus intake. Managing potassium and phosphorus levels is important for those with impaired kidney function, as high levels of these minerals can be harmful. Cauliflower contains high dietary fiber, which is important for digestive health. Adequate fiber intake supports regular bowel movements and helps prevent constipation, a common concern for individuals with kidney issues. Cauliflower has a high water content, contributing to hydration. Maintaining adequate hydration is essential for kidney health, as it helps flush waste products from the body. Cauliflower is naturally low in sodium and saturated fat. A diet low in sodium and saturated fat can help manage blood pressure and overall cardiovascular health. Cauliflower is also low in calories and can be a valuable component of a weight management strategy. Maintaining a healthy weight is important for individuals with kidney concerns, as obesity can contribute to kidney-related complications. Cauliflower is a highly versatile vegetable that can be used in various ways in the kitchen. It can be roasted, steamed, mashed, or riced, offering a wide range of preparation options. This versatility makes it easy to incorporate into a kidney-friendly diet. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic's ability to enhance the flavor of dishes is particularly valuable for individuals following a kidney-friendly diet. Many kidney-related conditions necessitate limiting sodium intake, and garlic serves as a flavorful alternative to salt, helping individuals adhere to dietary restrictions. Garlic contains allicin, a sulfur-containing compound that is produced when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin is known for its potential health-promoting properties, including anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties are generally beneficial for overall well-being, including supporting kidney health. Chronic inflammation is implicated in various health conditions, including kidney diseases. Allicin, along with other compounds in garlic, has been studied for its potential anti-inflammatory effects. By mitigating inflammation, Garlic may contribute to a healthier internal environment, which is favorable for kidney function. Garlic's antioxidant properties are linked to its ability to neutralize free radicals in the body. Free radicals contribute to oxidative stress, which can have harmful effects on cells, including those in the kidneys. Antioxidants help counteract oxidative stress and may contribute to overall kidney health. Oh, my dear warriors, your life can change tremendously by simply following a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet, mindfulness, and exercise. Make sure that you stay hydrated throughout the day and include these incredible foods to boost your kidney health. Cheers to wellness and health. This is Wellness Warriors with another life-changing experience on how to take control of your healthy lifestyle. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on the latest health tips and tricks to a better life. Thank you for watching. See you again next time on Wellness Warriors.